welcome to another Get Well video where today we are here at Thorpe Park. So it is September, which is usually a very quiet time for the park, and it looks like that is the case today. It looks pretty empty. The sun is out as well, so it's a win-win so far. Hoping to get lots and lots of horizons today because I think it should be the quietest. It's been a long time after summer and obviously before Halloween. So let's go and have a little look. Usually a lot of this is very full, so this is very quiet. It's exciting to see. Straight through security there. I've never gone through security that quick before. So I'm hoping that's a sign for a quiet day today. We shall see. So as always, everyone's heading to Hyperia or Swarm first, and what I do every time is I go to Stealth first, which is what I'm doing right now. I think going to Stealth first is the best thing to do because usually you can get 3 or 4 rides in like 20 minutes. That's what I'm hoping for anyway. It looks very quiet today, so I'm hoping for the best. Looks like it's a walk-on. Well, I couldn't be happier with my decision to do that. Stealth today is running on reduced capacity. It's only got 1 train, and still the cars were coming in empty, so they were just letting us stay on. I managed to do a couple front rows. I've done 4 overall. What a brilliant start to the day! And it looks like all the other queues are the same. So I'm going to go and check out Nemesis now, since I'm here, and see if I can do the same thing. Right on Nemesis done as well. I can't believe how successful the morning's been. Everything's so quiet, I don't even know what to do next. I mean, I might go to Hyperia, why the hell not? I'm going to take the opportunity and get a few rides on my favourite flat ride in the country. It's Rush. It's my favourite, I'm so excited. If they let me, I'll do like 10. Building that's going on for one of the Fright Night bases. How exciting, it should be starting in a couple of weeks. I'll be back. definitely won't be 5-minute queues on anything then, I'll tell you that for free. So I've just come off a ride on Colossus there, walk straight up. And I say it every single time I ride it and I still fall into the same trap. It's rough, I don't like it. Every time I see it on there, I'm like, oh, I'll give it a go, it'll be fun. And I'm always like, ooh, regrets. So, once and done for me. Very sadly, Samurai is closed all day today. I've actually noticed that this has been closed for quite some time, so I'm a little bit nervous. I like Samurai, but it is starting to show its age, and I wonder if it might be time to say goodbye. Hopefully not, because I like it, but maybe next time. Anyway, now I think the time has come for the Queen. Come off sore just now then, and I don't know if it's just me or whether they've done something. Oh, there she goes. But it was like bordering on smooth. It's not nearly as rough as it was, or as I remember it. That was fun. It was a great ride. I don't know what's changed. It might just be me. Maybe I've just built up the tolerance, but yeah, I thought it was a lot smoother than it has been in the past, but who knows?
4 meters tall and meet all ride restrictions as displayed at the ride entrance. Smoking is not permitted in the queue line or on the ride. And do not sit, stand or climb on the queue line fencing. Each row seats 5. Please organize your groups prior to boarding.
So Rush really is my favourite flat ride. It is my favourite thing. I absolutely love it. It's having a little bit of a problem where the cycle ends, which is already incredibly short, and it takes about 2 minutes for the restraints to come up, so we're all kind of like, which is a bit awkward, but I had a great ride on Rush. I had a few. I just can't believe how quiet it is. Everything is on 5 minutes. I can't believe it. I'm just about to do Swarm here, which is on 5 minutes, and then that would have been all the rides I want to do done, and it's 12:15. So it's just gone midday, which is, in my opinion, one of the best times to come to Swarm Island. I think a lot of people smash it out in the morning because it's next to the entrance, so it's always worth waiting a little bit, and it's on 5 minutes. at this entire queue line empty. God, it really is a walk-on today. Look at all of these empty queues. Oh, it makes me laugh to see it. God, that was so good! The woman operating that was just like, listen, if you want to ride it again, just find an empty seat. And all the seats were empty, so I've just had 4 goes on a row on that one. Oh, what a day. I literally cannot believe it. I've been on everything a lot. Every ride's been walk-on except Hyperia, but I only waited 15 minutes for that. Everything's been walk-on. I've managed to stay on and do it another lap on almost every ride. It's not even 1 o'clock yet, and I've done every major ride at least 2 or 3 times. So this is the time to be here. Early September, put it in your cal. Even on Rush, they're just letting us sit on and have another go, so I've just had another couple on Rush as well. It is so quiet today. You've got your stage ready for Fright Night just outside Nemesis. And with Hyperia showing us 15 minutes, I am heading straight over there. Well, I've had 3 back-to-back rides on Hyperia there, and I don't know how it happened, what the chances are, but I had 3 goes in a row on row 10. I don't know how that's happened, very bizarre, no complaints from me. Happy birthday to the guy sat next to me, he was having a great old time. No fucking way I'm getting on Tidal Wave today. No.
Hello to you, Bob, and to all the people of Amity. Blood, toil, tears, and sweat.
underestimate it. Detonator is wild. Now, stealth running on only one train has made quite a big difference. It's on a 35-minute queue now. Everything else is on 5, so it doesn't matter. But I wonder what's going on there, if they can get their second train up soon. Anyway, luckily it's quiet enough that it doesn't matter. I just can't believe how successful today has been. Like, I knew it was going to be quiet because it's always quiet this time of year. But every single ride I've done 3 or 4 times. It's 2:15. I've done everything a million times. I've not queued for anything really. I queued 10 minutes for Hyperia. Moral of the story is, get down here before it changes, because I think throughout September it gets slightly busier, then obviously as Halloween starts it's the busiest time of the whole year, so now is the time to visit if you can. You shan't regret it. Thank you so much for watching another Get Round video, and until next time.